Unleash the future of art. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of integrating Flux AI with Stable Diffusion, a powerful combination that will revolutionize your image generation process. First, you'll need to have both Stable Diffusion and Flux AI installed and running in Stable Diffusion. Start by crafting a detailed text prompt describing the image you envision. Be specific about the subject, style, and any desired elements. Now, the magic happens. Connect Flux AI to your Stable Diffusion setup. This often involves using an API key or a specific plugin, as per Flux AI's documentation. With the connection established, leverage Flux AI's advanced features. Explore options like style transfer to infuse your image with a specific artistic style, detail enhancement to sharpen textures and refine details. Observe the transformation. Flux AI refines the initial Stable Diffusion output, adding layers of detail, stylistic nuances, and overall visual appeal that elevates the artwork to a new level. Experiment with different prompts, styles, and Flux AI parameters to discover your own unique artistic voice in this exciting new realm of AI-assisted art creation. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI art tutorials. Share your amazing creations with the hashtag Stable Diffusion, #AI art.